Hello and welcome to my channel, friends. Today I'm gonna unbox another package and it's a kitchen appliance, so let's see what's inside. And it's of course a surprise for all of you, so let's open it. So here it's thick because of the glue. And yes friends, it's a sandwich maker. So I'm gonna show you. See, this is the package. The sandwich maker will be like this. The picture is good, but the real life will be more awesome. Here we go. Friends, there it's wrapped very securely with bubble wraps. See, these are the bubble wraps, so many. And this is the product. It opens like from here. It's a clip. It's a clip. So first you need to press it down and open it and give a whack. You can see these are the prints that we are gonna have here. It's a really unique print because this must be great like this, but this is just like some triangles here. And if you wanna buy this product, you can get it by the link on the description as usual. So thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and also share with your friends so they can also buy this awesome product. Yeah, bye bye.